This is our favorite PICA camping ground. A lot of wood. I would have to agree, the best way to dry out your firewood is to store it inside in a hot, dry room. Where are we at?
PICA Fujiyama.
PICA Fujiyama に来てます。何回目？たくさんね。We've been here so many times.
Probably like 5 or 6 times.
5回か6回目ぐらいです。私たちの大好きなの場所です。
Yeah, that is the healthiest looking deer.
So this time they renewed the cottage that we usually stay for the special way, like TAKIBI. You can burn as much as you want. We're excited. Oh, we can see it.
I want to go in here.
Ready? Maybe for you. All right, your turn. Ready? They have games, magazines, books. Already been there and done that, though. This is another thing we really like about the PICA campgrounds. If you ever forget anything, they have most everything you need and a whole lot of stuff that you don't. So they're good little gift shops. You will pay a bit of a premium if you buy things here, but sometimes that beats going out into to a local grocery store. Here at PICA Fujiyama, you have a few different camping options. You got the white domes, which are kind of more like glamping. Back that way you have saunas, as well as just covered platforms where you could pitch your own tent. Comes with a fire pit. Over this way, there's the luxury cottages, which are essentially just small houses. These are the trailer houses. We've stayed at the trailer house all the way down here on the end. It's above the glamping dome where there's not a whole lot of comforts, but it's not quite an entire cabin yet. It's like the middle glamping cabin. All right, so Mom got in the car and she's driving, and the boys are walking. We're gonna see who wins.
Yay, 着きました。So they renewed? お邪魔します。あったかい。ここがリビングルームです。お、すごい。カウチも新しくなってるし、ペレットストーブもあります。キッチンは後で行きますね。2階行きます。あったかいね。あ、気持ちいい、当たりがいい。あ、このクッションは多分外のね、バルコニーのここに座れるやつのやつ。すごい日当たりもいいし。OK。1階にトイレがあります。ウォシュレットもあり。このお風呂が私好きなんだよね。このお風呂は自動でお湯が沸かせるので入りたい放題。あったかいの日やここ全部出てます。冷蔵庫と基本的なものは全部揃ってますね。だから今日からここで2日間2泊3日します。Welcome。この度はピカフジヤマをお選びいただき誠にありがとうございますって書いてあります。なんかウェルカムクッキーとコーヒー、ピカオリジナルコーヒーがあるよ。お、かわいい。 富士山のクッキーだ。わ、ここです。いつもただのコテージだけど、今回なんかリニューアルして焚き火台がすごい特別。本当はこれだけだったこの前は。だけどここ見て、すごい焚き火台がめっちゃ大きい。何？
今ファイヤースターだ。探して作ってるの。
そうなの？わかった。すごい、これ全部燃やし放題なんだって。なんか食べ放題ならぬの焚き火し放題なんだって。トークン楽しみ？ねえ、あったかくて気持ちいいね。
Who's a happy baby? Who's a happy baby? Yeah? Get that hand out of there. Who's a happy baby?
So this particular cabin at this campsite was recently renovated. They added a second outdoor fire pit. They kept the original fire pit, which is just there on the deck. 2 nice chairs, whole barbecue section outside. But what's cool about this particular cabin is all you can burn firewood. If you burn through both of those stacks of firewood, they will bring you more.
I got to put my food.
Alright, you want to go get pizza with me? This place also offers wood-fired brick oven pizza, so we ordered 2 of those. We're going to pick them up now. Our TAKIBI cabin is just down the hill from the main outpost up here.
お待たせしました。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
What do you want to show us? Whoa, you broke that ice. Can you put the rock where you found it?
I find this box.
Perfect. Which cabin is ours? Alright, let's go.
And they have a pizza like oven or a pizza
Wood
like
fire.
a wood fire.
Yeah.
And then we do just basic margherita, a tomato and basil and cheese. And this is teriyaki chicken cheese. Thank you.
Small pizzas, but they're really good.
Then I want some yours too.
Okay. Can I put it right here for you?
Yeah.
There you go.
Ooh, yummy.
はい、トークンこれ。のりなし。OK。
Yours yummy too.
So just walking around the glamping cabin here. Found a nice pine tree here. It's been damaged, so there's quite a lot of sap. We'll take just a little bit of that, and it should help us start our fire. These are some dried Japanese maple leaves. We're also able to pick up some just sticks and litter, so we got that to get the fire going. Oh, yeah, we can. Now we can start adding the big stuff.
Right.
Could be, yeah. Yeah, so the back of this cabin faces due west, which means in the afternoon you are looking right into the sun. Whoa, good. Can you do it again? Keep trying. Whoa! Oh, you okay? Good job. Alright, let me get a different one. That's a bad one. Can you stand here a minute? Yeah, just a quick start, get it stuck. Okay, together. Ready? Whoa! Do you want to try one by yourself? All right, can you do that one by yourself?
Yeah.
Nice.
One more.
I know. Ready? Yeah, I just don't want your finger to get stuck between the hammer and the wood because that would really hurt. Good job, dude. You want to go put it in the fire?
Yeah.
Can I help you with it?
No.
Okay. Let's not throw any more rocks near the house. Good grab. Whoa. Ready?
Yeah.
What are we going to get, dude?
Small stick.
We're going to get s'more sticks. But we can't cut anything around the cabin, so we are going down the hill into the woods a little bit. So hopefully we can find one little stick we can take.
It's so steep.
It is steep.
I gotta pin it help.
Grab it near the top.
Grab it near the top.
No, grab the saw near the top and then fully open it so it clicks. There you go. Good click. So we got our s'more stick. Now we're heading back to the glamping cabin.
There another one. Tuna.
We're in the luxury cottage this time.
They brought food. We have all the meat. Pork, wagyu beef, and chicken from local area. Japanese enoki mushroom, eggplant, carrots, and onion. And then this is a miso paste, and this is a rice bowl. You put the miso paste on a rice bowl, and then you grilled it. So it's like a grilled onigiri. PICA original, camping yaki barbecue sauce, and prawn, mushroom, and broccoli and tomatoes with the garlic and olive oil. Tomato soup, and then breakfast, bacon cheese hot sandwich だって。子供用のご飯が来ました。すごい。ナポリタンだって。こんな風にいっぱい入ってます。あ、かわいい。子供用の包丁とか全部入ってる。かわいい。子供用のまな板。オレンジフルーツジュースか。牛乳、卵とパンケーキとナポリタンのセット、これ全部。かわいいな。こういう風に。お、スープ。これはハンバーグのスープですよ。こんな風に作るみたいです。And then the next day breakfast, maple banana pancake.
Who's cooking your marshmallow?
You.
If only there was a national marshmallow cooking championships. Would have taken first. All right, dude, your s'more is done.
Oh my god.
All right,
Done? I done my symbol.
there you go.
Thank you.
Can you take a bite? Tell me how it is.
Good.
How do you like your first winter glamping? Do the accommodations suit your needs?
Sorry.
Corbin, watch! You afraid?
Yeah.
high five. Wow. Oh. Let's take a minute to appreciate this little guy. Unfortunately, we're barely putting a dent in the all-you-can-burn firewood, but I've got all day tomorrow, so I'm not scared yet. All right, in case you were wondering, yes, I do have grass in my underwear from rolling down that hill. Dinner time. We have the onigiri with a miso soy sauce paste that you spread on. You just slap the frozen onigiri, which is rice balls, onto the grill, cook them up, and then as they cook, you use the brush to put the miso sesame sauce all over the rice balls. We also have locally raised Wagyu beef and pork, then mushrooms, nasubi, what's nasubi? Eggplant, and onion and carrot. So we'll be cooking all that on the barbecue.
And ナポリタンと煮込みハンバーグ。美味しそう。なんか欲しいの。人参が欲しいのです。ペレットストーブです。
Alright, so you hold the button for 3 seconds, and then after about 10 minutes or so, it'll start feeding pellets. So let's.
Japanese?
Oh, it's all Japanese.
Oh.
If you're a foreigner, good luck.
So.
Alright, now we're gonna fill it with pellets. Should be enough for about 5 minutes.
Oh, 今ので only for 5 minutes?
I'm sure that's good for a few hours.
絶対触らない
It's not hot right now, but in 10 minutes or so, it'll be real hot.
ね。はい、ありがとうダディ。
Alright, we've got the pellet stove firing. Little wall unit, just let us know that the onsen is all set up and ready to go for Thorben, so we'll give the kid a bath, then we'll all go to bed. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a brisk morning here. Beautiful views of Mount Fuji over there. Alright, should we go for a walk?
Yeah. Where the walk we going?
We're just gonna go for a little walk. Somebody was asleep, which allowed me to get a fire going. But they are awake now, so I will watch the fire and the baby. We've only put a small dent into the unlimited wood supply. This sakura wood is very dense, very high BTU content per kilogram, so yeah, it's gonna take a while, but we got all day.
I prepared and then cooked. More? That's good?
That's good.
Well, looks good though.
I already eat.
Oh, okay. I cook hot. It's a hot sandwich.
Tomato, cheese, and bacon.
Daddy. Daddy's on t-shirts. It's quite good weather ね。暖かい。今日も丸一日あります。美味しいサンドイッチ。
Dude,
You're only 5 months, but you got the dad bod going. Me too.
So our place down there, we got all you can burn firewood, which is a big pro for me. But if we went next door, where's next door? Yeah, right there. They have a jacuzzi on top, a sauna on bottom, and a fire pit, but you got to pay for all the wood. Our little place back there, you got all the firewood you can burn, but no jacuzzi up top. Pros and cons, man. Maybe someday we'll open a campground where you got all you can burn firewood and a jacuzzi up top, plus a sauna. When you got this little guy along, you got all the firewood you can bring. He'll just go around and collect it all for you. All right, what's that round thing up there? Is that a bee's nest?
Yeah.
All right, how about you go over there and shake it? So what if a bee comes out? What's it gonna do?
It's gonna sting me.
Oh, that's a good point. Maybe we should not go shake the bee's nest. All right, they lucked out this time. Maybe we'll shake it next time. There's a branch in that tree over there.
Oh yeah, that's unusual.
Nice branch, bud. Good find.
見てこれ緑のこれアロエだって。食べて。このブランドとこれまた違う。あ、そうですね。またマークスとは別で、こっちはちょっと和ハッカとかヒノキとかちょっと漢字の日本っぽいものが成分で入ってるブランドになってます。This is based on the hinoki or like more Japanese. それでまみこれにする。ありがとうございます。
So we did not know this when we came here, but this is a shampoo, soap, conditioner brand that my wife has been using since. Yeah, so she's been using it since high school, and we never knew, but the factory, or if you can call it that, it's a pretty small facility. The factory where it's made is right next to the campground that we love. We just got some shampoo, conditioner, and face soap.
Yeah, the one I'll be using is for reasonable, and then that was useful for everybody. And then they recently made like a new brand, like this one. This is the most everything all natural, everything natural essence and scent from the real tree.
Yeah, real hinoki tree, which is cypress or very similar to cedar. So we love the smell.
当面が今つるっと滑って転んだので抱っこって言ってこういうことになりました。口見えてるだって気をつけてね。
Daddy, I see one there too.
That one's too hard to get here. This is what life is all about. Being a human totem pole.
This is how you bought it, Bencha.
Daddy, yeah.
すごい。Oh, so.
Alright, now you finally understand why I bought a dump pouch.
から見える。
Alright, let's get a selfie here. Alright, let's bring it in a little closer. Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. Just in case you don't know how a kindling cracker works, they got instructions for you. And I'm not fluent in Japanese or anything yet, but it does say Kinduringu Kuraku Tsukaikata ne. So, yeah, well, I added the ne part, but that's what it says. Well, I just missed it, but Thor rolled down the hill. My only complaint with the GoPro is it takes a long time to turn on and turn off and then turn on again. So, yeah, do better. He's gonna do it again. Alright, I haven't had a DNA test or anything, but I'm pretty sure that's our son. And I think this might be the other. Yeah, well, Sachi was over here playing around with a frying pan and making rice. I was out grilling chicken and leek, or negi. We got some green bell peppers there, asparagus wrapped in bacon, and a chicken wing. Alright, well, another day is winding down. We'll give the kid a bath, then we'll all go to bed. So if you choose to stay in the tent platforms at PICA Fujiyama, they have nice bathroom facilities for you, as well as kind of a good wash-up area for doing dishes and preparing your food to cook over the fire. Very cool architecture too. And this cooking space is heated. It's just above freezing outside, and inside there it's probably 65 or 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
All good? We're moving. Next, ne. Okinawa!
Okinawa. Are you excited?
Yay.
Yeah.
I'm very excited because, I'm happy that we keep living in Japan. Are you excited? We can still live in Japan, and I never live in Okinawa, and it's closer to my family too. And... またねー! Bye bye! Thank you for watching. Ah! You just farted!